This is a 2015 Forest River R-Pod. You can see here it only weighs 2,740 pounds. Manual crank, nice 20-gallon propane tank, 12-volt battery, rock guard in the front, beautiful shape, like new condition, full pass-through storage. Nice aluminum wheels, brand new tires. Comes with a black tank flush, exterior outlets, and more pass-through storage here. And then as you can see, it is solar ready. Comes with a spare tire. It does come with a keypad entry. It's in like new condition. Up here you've got your DVD player. It's made by Jensen, has Bluetooth, MP3 capabilities. It's also your radio. Here's all your controls. Nice area to hang a few clothes if you've got them. Overhead lights. Nice window valances. Decent sized sink. Extending nozzle. 2-burner stovetop. Lots of space for the size of the unit. The former owner of this unit, it is a one-owner unit, left us the manuals that it originally came with. As you can see here, you can actually access the exterior storage from right here. Plenty of storage up underneath the dinette as well, and this also does turn into a bed. So there you have it. I hope you liked my video. Please let me know if you're interested.